Welcome to another video from your friends here at Altitude University. Like any other business, drone pilots must make sure they are keeping their customers happy. Gaining, and often more importantly, keeping clients is just as much a part of your job as flying and taking pictures. Today, we'll talk about how to keep your customers smiling and coming back to you time and time again. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. In the drone service industry, where competition is fierce and technological advancements are rapid, the ability to establish and maintain strong client relationships is extremely important. Effective client relations and communication not only foster trust and loyalty, but also set the foundation for long-term business success. Today, we are going to cover the strategies for building robust relationships with clients for your drone service business. First, you'll want to understand your client's needs. The cornerstone of solid client relationships is a deep understanding of what your clients want from you. Drone service providers must go beyond surface-level requirements and grasp the broader context of each project. An example would be, let's say you're working on a construction site. Knowing the difference between whether the client's using the photos to track the progress of the build, or if you go in there with the mindset of thinking, I'm just here to take pictures. These are two totally different mindsets. The first shows you understand why the client has hired you, and the second shows you're only thinking of the project from your perspective. Understanding a client's needs involves active listening, asking insightful questions, and demonstrating a genuine interest in the client's objectives. Whether the project is related to aerial photography, surveying, inspection, or any other drone application, understanding the client's end goal ensures that the service offered aligns perfectly with their expectations. Next, you want to foster transparent and consistent communication. Transparency and communication builds trust. Keeping clients informed about project progress, potential challenges, and any changes in timelines or costs helps manage expectations and fosters a sense of reliability. Regular updates, whether through emails, calls, or meetings, should be an integral part of the project lifecycle. This consistent communication loop ensures clients feel valued and involved, reducing misunderstanding and building a rapport that transcends transactional interactions. Another good piece of advice is to tailor the service experience to each client. When I started filming vacant land for real estate agents, I developed a standard package of photos and videos that I felt was perfect for capturing each parcel. I used this package with each new customer I had and was always given positive feedback and repeat business. That wasn't until one day when I presented a new customer with their photos and videos and they were very unhappy with what I had captured. In their mind, they wanted something totally different. The quality of my products wasn't in question, but they wanted shots no one had ever asked me for up to that point or since. I ended up reshooting the parcel to make the client happy. Lesson learned, I should have customized my services for the client. Customization of services to fit the specific needs of each client demonstrates flexibility and customer-centric approach. Drone service businesses should be adaptable, offering personalized solutions rather than a one-size-fits-all package. This could mean adjusting deliverable formats, using specific software for data analysis, or accommodating unique project timelines. Personalizing the service experience enhances client satisfaction and can differentiate a drone business in a crowded market. It's okay to have a standard package for shoots, just make sure the client approves it before you start filming. Next, you'll want to leverage technology for enhanced interaction. In the tech-driven world of drone services, leveraging digital tools for client interaction can streamline processes and improve communication efficiency. Utilizing client portals, project management software, and online collaboration platforms can facilitate easier sharing of project files, progress tracking, and feedback collection. These tools not only simplify the management of projects, but also enhance the client's engagement with the service process, making it more transparent and accessible. I personally use Google's products for this, but there are many other platforms out there. Don't forget to build credibility through expertise. Expertise is a significant trust builder. Clients are more likely to form strong relationships with drone service providers who demonstrate in-depth knowledge and skills in their field. This involves staying updated with the latest drone technologies, regulations, and industry trends. By sharing this knowledge through regular communication, blogs, or newsletters, a drone business can position itself as a thought leader. reinforcing client confidence, and fostering a relationship based on respect and trust. If you do find yourself disagreeing with a client, resolve conflicts with professionalism. Even with the best of efforts, misunderstandings or disagreements can happen. The ability to handle such situations professionally is crucial in maintaining strong client relationships. This means addressing issues promptly, being open to feedback, and working collaboratively towards a resolution. A client's perception of a business is often significantly influenced by how conflicts are managed, with effective resolution reinforcing trust and loyalty. Finally, you'll want to cultivate long-term relationships. Building strong client relationships is not just about securing a single project, but about cultivating long-term partnerships. Regular follow-ups, even after a project's completion, demonstrate continued interest and commitment to the client's success. Offering ongoing support, updates on new services or technologies, and checking in on past projects can keep the relationship alive and open doors for future collaborations. Building strong relationships with clients in the drone service business requires a multifaceted approach centered on understanding clients' needs, maintaining transparent and consistent communication, and delivering a personalized service experience. Leveraging technology, demonstrating expertise, handling conflicts with professionalism, and cultivating long-term engagements are all critical to keeping the relationships alive. By prioritizing client relations and communication, drone service businesses can establish a foundation of trust and loyalty, leading to happy and repeat customers. Thanks for watching. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.